Hello, everyone. How are we all doing? Welcome back. Welcome back. So, this hour we are going to go through a post that I feel like not saying calling him commander anymore after this broadcast, but let's commander Royce. Okay, I want to exercise my right of freedom. Okay, right of association, and my right to believe on what I know or what I want to believe on. I'm not here to because that's my slogan, right? I'm not here to it don't matter bam bam bam, right? I just want to say it the way I felt. And without adding lies or any hidden agenda. So if I bring you here or talk about you here, don't get it wrong. Okay? This is what I feel. This is my own personal opinion. You have right to believe what you want to believe, but this is my own belief based on my own analysis. Okay? Like I said, you have right to believe what you want to believe on. So after the video that is trending, the voice note of Butuzor, throwing his support to the United States of Biafra, and he made it clear that he's back without adding any word or missing any word. The first post that the person that handling the account that bears Ross, the first post he made after that, we're going to go through it, and because today there's a lot of comments. We may say there's fire on the mountain, okay, but let us go through it one by one. I don't want anybody to feel like I'm mocking anybody. That's why I have to resist my smile and laugh or excitement, because it is always good to be happy, right? Especially when you know that you are what you believe on is the right thing to do. Let me use the opportunity before we start going through it. I want to beg you to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Very, very important. I will be live later, okay, in evening time, Biafran time. So I will be live on my assistant channel, Kai Report News. This Kai Report only. We have another channel called Kai Report News. I will be live. I will stream there tonight. So join me. Let us talk. And hopefully maybe I may provide number that you can call. Some of you that have my WhatsApp number that are sending me messages there, if I do not reply you, don't get offended. Maybe you send me a video, maybe I did not reply. Don't be angry. I see that and I appreciate you for doing so. But please don't send me information that is falsehood, lie. We don't promote or preach lies here. So thank you. And I don't want to discourage you. If you know something that you want to verify the information first. But if you want me to verify it, let me just say it like that. One of our brothers that sent me a message today, he said he wants me to check this. So that's by the way anyway. We are not here for that. So Royce said, my God, he said, may God continue to punish Ugo 247 for insulting the dead by saying no, sit at home. This shows they don't follow Simon Ekpa from beginning. If Simon Ekpa was here, he will order for 1 week lockdown. My response to this is that nobody is mocking the dead. Nobody. For people that says there's no sit at home, they say that just to make sure that any order coming to Biafrans must come from the authority. Not anybody that just you think you have a platform, you can just come up and say sit at home. Can we get it right? This is not an idea. It's not a way of mocking the dead. If you actually, for example, if it's all about my death, now you care about death, isn't it? Okay, so last month people died. Where is this at home? Last 2 months people died. Where is this at home? Since PM was arrested, where is this at home? Apart from the Monday sit at home that is non-natural. Okay, that one is already in autopilot. That it will activate itself without anybody pressing the button. So I don't see it as mocking the death. So can we not use that kind of thing to cajole or pretend that what you are saying is writing, whereas it's not. Then he made that post. After that, this is another post. Disregard the voice note that they are sharing. That is the voice, that the voice. Okay, you want to say that's the voice note I made, but he said that's the voice not. So there's a mistake in the spelling. So that's why I have to pause and make sure that I get it right. That is the voice notes I put out there when my page was impersonated, when they used their own to speak as Royce, hereby contradicting the Ray Royce. Or are you all not aware when one idiot used my picture on on his DP, my name? I think I'm not aware of that. Of watching, we reported the water of which instead of watch of which we reported the Coco, and Elon Musk has kicked him out. That's what I mean. But he said, that is why I won the Okoko using my name Royce on the voice note. So please disregard Ugo 247. Please, I will play the voice again here, just for you to know these people can go at any length to cook up lies. That voice note of Butuzor that we played here, that is circulating on social media, is what this our guy is telling you now. That is his voice, the voice note that he made, to address somebody that tried to hack his account. He made there's another post after that. We are going to go through them, one after another. Not to disgrace anybody, but to get the record straight. So while waiting for the video to come up, let's go through another of his posts, if I may, because I don't want the video to be too long. We may be waiting for the video to load and the time will be going. So he said, disregard will go to 247. Let me go to the third post, because today is all about posting. He's pumping messages on his ex because of the So I don't want to go there. Since can we just pretend that that everything is that we don't know? Okay, that's number one. Let me get this one. The another post he made is this. Let me open it properly. He said, okay, are there two? Let me just hold on. Let me get it. Let me bring it up. This is what you get when you are trying to lie. It will take, you have to lie and lie and lie to cover one lie. Are you getting the point? So Chineke God. Okay. Now let's go to the third one before we go back to the voice notes, like I told you. Let's get to the voice note. The voice note is taking time. It's taking time. Just wait for a while. Why is it So please like this video, like the video. Make sure you click on the like button. Make sure you click on the like button. Okay, let me get the voice note first. Okay, because it seems like the voice note is getting ready. Like the video, like I said. Like the video. He said his old voice note. These people are very, very funny. I will expose something. So I'm not post because they are so desperate. Right. If any say an old voice note. Now let's hear this. Just listen to this, because even Sanapa is also sharing the same thing.
Ayana na loli ya yuge Butuzor kala kwa mono de Biafra odo drone omunda mala Biafra kala kwa mono omunda de hamana masya kala kwa mono ayana na loli ya yuge Butuzor asum ko boseta mana ya namma ame wona information ne wota dịka ndị ji aha m were na-eme ọtụtụ si bụkwa onye memere so onye debere onye memere ya beziri nwa gọọmenti and otu gọọmenti ahụ ka anyị kwụkwana and otu ala ji ka anyị na-achụrụ efi si biko onye mara ọbụla besi anyị aka ya ngwa ka anyị hụ na ihe anyị na-eme na-aga aga na Butuzor beziri na one gọọmenti and ga Butuzor belivuru ka Biafra were bịa and mbọ m onwe m na-agba ụka ihe niile anyị na-eme ka ọ na-enwe isi si biko na Butuzor anọ ha na propaganda gọọmenti ihe m nọ na USB gọọmenti one mind one Biafra and otu ala aja ka a na-achụrụ efi biko for those of you ma ndị na-eyuzu aha m ma ndị na-ede nke a na-ede ede ma ndị na-ekwu nke a na-ekwu ekwu ka ndị na n'olu Butuzor na Butuzor adịghị awee ya enwekwanị nke m tiri enwekwanị nke m dere so ihe m na-alụ ụwa ọgwụ Biafra ka Biafra were abịa so biko aka m sị ka m kọwara unu aka m sịkwa ka m kwụrụ unu ka ozi m arụkwa onye ukwu aka rukwa onye nta aka. We must fight to get Biafra. We must fight to restore Biafra, which na ya memegwele ya meme, and I believe we need to declare great the state of Biafra. So ihe ọma gere nwoke ọ gere nwaanyị ka meru gwe m nzọ dị ka ibe ya m na adịbụ udo dịrị unu na enyemaka unu a contribution unu dị ka anyị si eme ya na mbụ ka anyị sikwa otu ahụ were na-eme ya ka chi dị mma were dị ka ọ nwụzuara anyị oke we move forward ka anyị nwee ike ime ya ka tensisi dị ọ dabara m ọ dabakwara ọnụ women on ground anyị kwụ nọ n'azụ kwụsị ike anyị kwụ Biafra si n'azụ so we ensure that we must get Biafra na Butuzor anakwa n'ebe eji aha m akọ eme ihe mma eme ihe m ghọtara eji aha m akọ pọtụ ihe mma onye ọbụla ọ sọrọ ya bụrụ ji aha m wụọ na-ekwu nke a ga-ekwesị ekwesị ya biko ya stọpụọ ya wapụ afa biko so that all one chain and command one order we must follow one order dịka PM siri kwuo ya one chain and command so udo dịrị unu ndewo ya gazikwere na ụmụnne m Butuzor is back again.
Okay. So I am not aware of when he lost his account. I have followed his account since day one. I'm not aware of when he lost his account. I'm not aware of when he retrieved it back. But this voice note, does it sound like somebody who is warning people for not following wrong account, wrong handle? Because what I can hear, he said Butuzor is back. What does standing in one government, United States of Biafra, that if you have name declare Biafra, next time with government in one United States of Biafra, they are not on any propaganda government. What is the propaganda government? From bridge to USB. Now we are not talking about propaganda government. What is propaganda government here? Is it not? And remember when I shared the first video today, where I played the voice note, I said something that expelled them to come back to fight back. It took them some hours. They are no longer on space, taking question. What they're doing now is post and run. Now, let me share the second part. Now, this is the voice note for you to know the voice note that he's claiming. This Ross is claiming that he is the one that said that he's a Butuzor. Of course, when PM was here, he was not asking the name Butuzor. He was Royce. And the post he made few days ago, he said, I and Butuzor. I shared that post on my platform here, meaning there are two. But sometimes he claims that he's one. The lie about it is what I want to understand it. He says something here. I must warn Ngozi Abeze and co. to stop disturbing Royce for the very last time. Go and form your own army and leave me here alone. Why calling on Royce? He said you previously labeled as one online commander and a criminal. Are you all not ashamed after Zoo have turned your face away from the real liberation? You only realize how foolish the Zoo has made you all to become. After watching MNK action in court, you now trying to fall back to Royce by posting my previous voice note saying same he said same cost remedies who's okay is what I think you should say the same cost remedies, but it says same cost remedies who castigated my name are now talking good on Royce because they left their propaganda hold any water. They left propaganda. I think okay. Let me see. Okay, he said they felt that the propaganda hold any water. But the real shame will be when PM Simon Ekpa joined us back and kicked you all to your booth. Then you will understand how useless the zoo has made you to become. People celebrate. I said don't celebrate. I'm not here to tell you that it's a lie. I believe that the video is real. That this guy said he's not Butuzor. He's not Butuzor. Royce is not Butuzor. There are two. Is either there are two people or somebody, because like most of you believe that it's Sona Barawa. And I don't blame you for that. There are many, 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 many reasons to believe that this guy is not even a commander, let alone Butuzor. Are you getting the point? Let me continue. If you have noticed, that audio has never been on internet for not at all. So now power that would have kicked against it early in the morning show. But what did they do? They were talking about how they focus on how to maintain, that this is it's all about what do they call it? Sit at home. But the truth of the matter is that they understand that the person in charge is not even on social media. How can somebody who is online 24/7 become Butuzor? I doubt. He's not. Now another post, because even the way he's posting 4 hours, 6 hours, 1 hour, second, minutes. Today alone, I will count the post that he made today. Even now in different land where this is just morning, almost morning, going to afternoon. All right. But this guy have made posts not less than 4 or 5, even more than. Okay, let me count the one that we have gone through now. 1, 6 hours ago, 4 hours ago, 2, 3, 4 hours ago. So these 3 now and more are still up because I will scroll up again. Now he said this one. This is he said okay. I must warn us. Okay. Now the post he made again is just to defend one lie. Just to defend one lie. He made another post here 2 hours ago. The one that we have read is 4 hours, 6 hours. Now this one is 2 hours ago. He said, let me open it again. Capitulate all the time. Biafra once again disregarding Ngosora Beze and her cabals on using my old voice to deceive the gullible. Ask yourself, when did they start acknowledging Igwe Butuzor as general? No longer the man that killed Biafrans in 2021. No longer the online commander. No longer the criminals or the more recruited or no more recruitment again. Maybe there are no more decentralized army anymore. Even on my old voice, I never stated anything relating to sit at home. I never stated anything relating to sit at home. Please remember, I warned Ngozo Rabeze and that container head. I don't know who's that one. Okay, we go 247. That they should continue with their government and leave Igwe Butuzor alone. I held it. Okay, leave Igwe Butuzor alone. Leave Igwe Butuzor a hell alone. We are currently too busy in manufacturing. Please, no distraction. All Biafrans must focus on the goal. Don't allow them to distract you all. You must all pay attention to what I asked the BDF spokesperson, Commander Holy Ghost, to announce. After Ngozi Rabeze have finished dividing the government, she then turned to deceive the BDF, but hear this now, Ngozi Rabeze, you have failed. I really don't want you to visit the underworld because I want you to run mad first before everyone. Then the needful will follow. Another threat with laugh. Tagging pictures of one of our sister, and insulting and all that. So that's the post from Royce. Now and again, the fourth, this one is the fourth post. The fifth one, 2 hours ago, another post. Just pay attention. The moment I lift the order, I put across all commanders. Ngozi Rabeze and Ugo now came out to say our army have resumed duty. These people are so funny. Biafrans, you cannot understand me when I say the reason I stopped the operation then was because as things were going, she will claim the glory of the aftermath by telling you all that their recruited army did it, and Umu Utobo will hail her. Now because she read my post where I said I wanted the operation to resume in March, but because of the nature of things, I decided to shift it down. Now she and her cabals are now posting Butuzor is back to operational mode. Now you can connect the dots on my post because what you don't know is bigger than you. You must have seen the picture of COS, like where she's shedding tears in Finland, which I put here as in my thumbnail. That's the post that this guy made. He used the picture, just to cajole and to mock. But I will tell you my take on all those things because there's a reason for what is going on now. So he made another post 1 hour ago, making his sixth post, counting his sixth one. For today, he said, here is why I made that voice note. To caution Biafrans on what is going on, because then I was getting a lot of messages that someone is impersonating Royce. So I filed a report to. I feel that I think he said I failed the report. I don't know what you mean by that. Okay, a report to X also made a voice note in December to make Biafran to understand that to make Biafran to understand what is happening. The name Solomon Nkwocha and Ngozi Rabeze organized was Royce 101. Today, they are now using the old voice note old voice note of my warning to play their last card in the Allah. Are you getting the point? Now, let me see the post, the image here. Okay. Okay. He shared a screenshot actually, but that screenshot don't have any date, meaning that I cannot tell you if it is true or not, because screenshot always okay. This is screenshot here, a screenshot here, another screenshot, General Igwe Butuzor, and that post was on December 26th. Okay, but I'll still have a question, because to clarify this, instead of making this, let me not say that. Let us go through the post. The 7th post that he's making today, the 7th one, because the post can come. Let us get to this one. 7th one, he said this. Please like this video, okay? Because I want people to get this right so that we will know what is going on. They are emphasizing on my voice note I post in December 2024 disregarding the impersonators, but failed to talk on the recent voice note I posted regarding how Oginkere and Success are the only one making sure we are sustaining the defense. Let them go and also post the voice note where I made it clear that not even 200, 500 naira is coming to the custody of VDF. No one talked or commented about that voice note. Stupid people. That is why when I made decision I made, like anyone applying, I have concluded to stop the operation so that you all will see the disaster you have been praying for. You are praying for to see. When the Fulani starts massacring you people, you will be calling Royce to help. Very ungrateful goods from him. Okay? Now, that is the seventh one. Let's go to the eighth one. Eighth post for today. And he shared, okay, this is eighth post, but that one, this one is from Ndeo Genkere. This one, he said, this has exposed to you all that all this while PM Samalekpa others sit at home in respect for those pied by the zoo unjustly. They are not in support of PM action. Many things will unfold based on my voice note. Again, the ninth post from the same person. Everything happening for a reason. God Almighty has used my voice note to expose them and how sabotic they are towards PM Samonekpa. He made a post, this is the voice note. Let me play the voice note that he put here. Okay, this is from Sanak Parawa. No, there's no need. He just shared a post from Sanak Parawa, and where Sanak Parawa is a chief of the instigators. We know that. So my people, 9 posts in space of how many hours? Okay, this is Nigerian Biafran land man is no longer up morning. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is evening time, and he have made up to 9 to 10 posts regarding this. The question is, why don't you make another voice note instead of putting this complete? Because the account that you are using is not even Butuzor. You are using Royce. Why don't you make another voice where you say that voice note is wrong? That is not true. But to me, I believe that voice note is real. Because in the voice note you said United States of Biafra, and now you are fighting on the bridge. On that bridge, you are now in exile, no more United States of Biafra, which you said in the voice note. Make another voice note and say that you are not. If you said, if that is true. But to me, like I said, I believe in that voice note. So let us see what is going to happen. Because like I told you in the morning when I posted that video, that they will fight back. Expect it. But what I can tell you now is my own conclusion is that he should use another voice note to debunk it. Not by you posting this, it simply means that you are not the owner of the voice note. That is not your voice. It is not your voice. And you have platform to do that. So let it not be like how nobody shares your voice note, nobody shares your voice note. Tell your Genkera group, since you are you are Royce is you are Butuzor. They will come, you appear on that program. Call on the program, and let them use you, Butuzor's voice, live. Then we can announce, okay, this is not you. That the voice note that you play, that you are right, that is old voice note and all that. You can't do that. Then before I end this video, I would like to, go through because Sanak Parawa, of course, who was very, very, who was hiding rather after the voice note was trending, he couldn't say anything because there's nothing to defend, there's nothing to say about it. And all of them, they are not spacing at all. All of them are hiding, and all of a sudden, somebody called Royce is now trying to debunk that voice note, and he started sharing it on his. If that voice note is not true, so now that we know will be streaming now. Chiamaka will be live. Okute Biafra will be live. But why are they not streaming live? That's to tell you that this guy called Royce is not to be. You don't need to trust the person. Anybody that's behind that account, you don't need to trust that person at all. Okay? Like me, whether you are whether Butuzor is in support of Ogink or not, I don't have any reason to come online and start insulting you, calling you name. I don't do that. And this idea of all of you saying that is not lying about it, saying that oh no, it is not this, it's not that. Come on, I don't think it's a wise thing to do. I'm looking for a post. This Sona Parawa's post. Just okay. He said I was searching for Sona Parawa. I forgot that he said it's a Monek Parawa. So let me bring to you. Let me read it out so you can see. Okay, you yourself will see that people who can have, they don't normally have emergency broadcast. When ex-wife of PM have something to say in their favor, what do? Emergency broadcast. And now they are hosting, they are hiding. Now he's back again. Also, he's not as now. Okay, 9 minutes ago, he's not spacing. He's on space now, trying to preach. But all this while he was not doing anything. And Sona Akbara said this, and I'm gonna put it. All of them have something to say. They sit at home and this and that. He says something which I'm going to read out for you now. He said, "You are not sharing the voice note of Butuzor exposing Ngozi, the mad dog. Rather, you love the propaganda she do with the old Butuzor voice note to distract all you empty brains. Ask her why she is fighting sit at home. Red flag. I have told you guys why that cell home is not recognized is because Sona Akbarawa and people who decided to design this at home are not the leader. You guys are forcing yourself. That's just the fact. Anyway, I'm not against it too. If you want to do it, it's left for Biafran to do that. And buying people like I have watched a video of Commander Holy Ghost threatening that if you come out, people they will buy you and all that. Folk are forced, yeah. Okay. So thank you, my people. I have to end it here because the video is getting too long. I just want to share the post to tell you what the person handling the account of Royce, what the person is saying. Okay, what he's saying, and that is why we need to focus on that. Very, very important. And Sona sending warning to Biafrans is very, very laughable. Very, very laughable. Anyway, thank you, my people, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and tell me what you think about all of this discussed so far. God bless you. Bye bye for now.